In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first start with tapping on that plus sign at the top right and here select story. Now you can use a photo that you already taken from your camera, or you can hit that camera icon to make new photo or new video. I'll select already existed like that one. And now in order to add music to my Instagram story, I need to tap on that stickers icon, the icon with little face, and there I have to find music sticker. I see it right there, but also I can use search bar, just hit on it and type in music to be able to use that sticker and just hit on it. And now you can select any music that you want. That is a recommendation for me. That's browse, where I can select music from some categories, and also I can use search bar to find the specific music that I want. So also I can tap there on play icon to listen to that music and then hit on that music to add it to my story. As you see, there is some sticker added to that story, and that sticker is with text of that song, and here you see the exact part of that song that is used for the story, and you can swipe over to the left or to the right to select specific part of that music that you want to use. And also you can hit stop if you want to stop, and play if you want to listen this part again. And always you can change the type of that sticker by hitting on that icons. You can switch it to text type or to like a box type, like that. And when you finish, just hit done, and now you can change the position of that sticker, and now you can continue creating your story as you normally would. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.